Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the BTS 2018 summer package in Saipan. It came with this beautiful little case, like if it's, you're traveling, it's just super cute. This is the box. And let's go ahead and get started.
Like a little selfie, little photo booth action here. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Handsome. Oh my god. It's not even real. I love this. I love moments like this. Saipan. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, sugar. Oh my god. Beautiful. Oh my god, look at holy. Dang. What a beautiful book. These photos are gorgeous. He's a Korean Brad Pitt. He really is. He's gorgeous. Oh wow, this is beautiful. D3. Yes, man. I'm gonna do them. There has not been one photo where I'm like, they're not stunning. Maybe there's like one photo where it's like, why would they include that? Whoa! I thought it just kind of looks like V. But, you are so cute. Precious. Wow. Wow. These guys. They're so cute. They're so cute. I love the water. Oh my god. Stop it. Stop it. Muscles. They're the only people I know that wear like button-up shirts in the pool. So cute. Ooh. Gorgeous. Oh, you. What am I gonna do with you? So cute. Look at that man. Oh my god, they are all so cute. Oh, I like that. Two best friend army, BTS and army.
Okay, so this is the summer package. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like this. I did get this off of eBay. Like I said, most of the things I do get off of eBay because I am a 2021 new army. So I can't get all these things as they come out. But I love this. These pictures are just stunning. And I was able to pick which guidebook I wanted, which I was glad because I wanted V. And how cute is he? And this alone, I was seeing it go for like 60 bucks. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I'm actually really happy with it. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Army.